In this tutorial, I am going to explain you how to add an annotation on a given map view. In my previous tutorial, I have shown you how to perform a zoom in operation on a given map view. Continuing on the same project, you can work on adding an annotation. So here is my map view. I have added one more button for adding an annotation. I'm going to create an IB action for my add annotation button. So here, just to give an overview what we have done in the previous video, we have created a location manager. We have done an import of MapKit framework. This is the IB outlet for my map view, and this time I have added a new IB action, that is add annotation clipped. For the location manager, since iOS 8 you have to include the CL location manager, I have created an instance of it and I have explicitly provided request when in use authorization. Similarly, I have added three privacy policies for my location, that is location usage description, location when in use usage description, and location always use description. And you can provide a string value, a meaningful string value for all this privacy policy. Now, in order to add an annotation on your application, we need to specify the location where the annotation has to be added. Basically, annotation means providing a lat long value and displaying it on a map view. So here I have added one dictionary with the name location value. So my dictionary is going to hold three variables. One is name, one is latitude, and one is longitude. So I have given the name as Delhi and the lat long values has been provided over here. So for adding an annotation, you have to create a MK point annotation class. So we are going to create that class over here. MK point annotation. So in this annotation, we are going to provide three things. One is the title, which will be our location value, name, so what I have done over here is I have created an annotation variable, and for that annotation I have provided a title. Since I have to display this title at some location, so for that I am going to create another variable, that is my coordinate value, which will be of type CL location coordinate 2D, and I am going to assign it the lat long value. So here my lat long will be location value dot latitude Since it's a string value, we need to typecast it to double in order to display it as a degrees of latitude and longitude. So now I have created my coordinate value. All I require to do is, on my map view, I need to add this annotation. So you have a method name add annotation, and then you are going to provide the annotation. One more point, we forgot to provide coordinate for our annotation. So you need to write annotation coordinate, and you need to provide the coordinate value for your annotation. So all we have done is we have created our annotation. Since we are not changing it, we can make it let. We have provided the title for our annotation, we have created the coordinate, and we have assigned the coordinate value for our annotation, and then we have added that annotation on our map view. So now when we run our application, and if you click on the add annotation button, one annotation gets added on your map view at the location which is provided through your lat long. So now when you run your application and click on add annotation button, you can see an annotation gets added for your location New Delhi. So this is how your annotation gets added. You can also add multiple annotations for your map view. How to add multiple annotations on your map view will be discussed in my next video. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos related to iOS programming using Swift 3, you can visit us at http://tacticsolution.com/mobile. Thank you.